welcome back to the channel. And today's video, we are looking at how to build an AI landing page that actually convert. Most landing pages don't fail because they look bad. They fail because they don't guide the user to take the next step. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a landing page that actually converts. We'll be using Base44 as our main kind of AI platform, but I'm going to show you whether it's getting more inquiries, more sales, or more signups. I'll break down the key principles and I'll walk you through a real example so you can see exactly how to apply it. So let's get started. So we need to think about what your actual goal of the landing page is. When it comes to landing pages, the biggest mistake that people make is treating them like a full website. But the goal of a landing page should be very simple. It's to drive one specific action. This could be getting someone to fill out a form, book a call, or sign up to a mailing list. Whatever it is, everything on that page should focus on that one outcome. The more options you give people, the less likely they are to take any action at all. Alongside that, a good landing page will remove any distractions. You don't need lots of navigation links or multiple different directions to go in. Every section should guide the user further down the page towards that end goal. It also needs to match the user's intent. So if someone has clicked on an ad or a link expecting something specific, the page needs to reflect that straight away. So if there's a mismatch, people will drop off almost instantly. And another key part is building trust quickly. So people make decisions really fast online, so your page needs to show credibility early. This can be through client logos, clear, confident messaging, and most importantly, testimonials and reviews. And finally, the next step should be obvious. Your call to action needs to stand out. It needs to be really clear and tell the user exactly what to do next. If they have to think about it, or if they're looking for what the next step is, you've already lost them. So overall, a landing page isn't about cramming in as much as possible. It's about being focused, clear, and guiding the user towards one simple action. So now let's take a look at an AI tool that you can use to help build a landing page really quickly, and that's Base44. Base44 is essentially a landing page builder focused on speed and conversion, not just design. You can quickly build structured landing pages without having to design anything yourself. So it's very useful if you're testing offers or building pages for campaigns or anything like that. So before I jump into building this page, let's take a look at how Base44 actually works. So it's essentially an AI-powered landing page builder, and instead of starting from blank canvas, you describe what you want. If you're used to using platforms like ChatGPT or Claude, they work the same way. You'll see when you go into Base44, you'll be demonstrated with the prompt. You'll be presented with a prompt box, similar again to prompt boxes that you see on ChatGPT, Claude, even like Canva AI. So you'll describe the type of business you want, the goal of the page, and your audience, and it will generate a structured landing page for you. So it's not just throwing random design together, it is building out key sections like your headline, your call to action, trust elements, and content flow based on best practices. So from there, you can go in and edit everything, tweak the copy, adjust any sections, and refine it so it actually fits your business properly. So the idea is it gives you a strong starting point, and then you optimize it rather than you build everything from scratch. So here's the prompt that we are going to use. Just zoom in a little bit. So create a high converting landing page for a local plumbing service in Belfast. The goal is to generate phone calls and quote requests, highlight fast response times, 24/7 emergency, and experienced certified plumbers, include a strong headline, clear call to action, and trust signals like customer reviews and sections for services offered, such as blocked drains, boiler repairs, and leak fixes. Keep the tone professional, trustworthy, and reassuring. So with this prompt, I've described exactly, first of all, what it is that I want is a high converting landing page. And I've described my business, local plumbing service in Belfast. You can obviously expand this more and give the name of your plumbing service and things like that. And the most important thing as well is that you tell it what your goal is. Our goal is to generate phone calls and quote requests. So that will then determine what the AI will then use that to determine what the main call to action would be. In this case, it should be call us now buttons or inquiry forms. We've mentioned what benefits that we want to have mentioned within the website, as well as a bit of information about ourselves, about the business itself, like what services we offer and what tone of voice that we want as well. You will be prompted to create an account if you haven't already, so I'll just quickly do that. You can create an account easily just with your email address or even just logging in with Google. And then it'll go ahead with our prompt here. So this is kind of what it looks like. Your preview of your website will be here. On the left-hand side, it'll kind of walk you through what it's doing. So right now, Base44 is designing a website using the prompt. And you should start to see it build in the background sort of up here. You'll kind of talk to Base44 in this box here about any tweaks you want to do, any changes you want to make, and things like that. So we'll give it a few minutes to run, and you can have this continue to run in the background if you want to switch over to another tab and do something else. So here's what it's saying now. It's building a professional plumbing landing page for Belfast. Let me plan the site. It's planned out the landing page and the components, including a hero section, services section, why choose us, what color palettes to use. If you already have like your own color palette and branding, you can also mention that within your prompt as well, so that it will use that as well. And then now it's kind of generating images of like for the hero image, and you can sort of hover over each of the images as well and see what it's coming up with. So it's quite fast, and it's quite transparent as well what it's doing. So now it's setting up all the design systems. It's quite interesting as well, like how quickly it's doing, and also like the steps that it's taking to create everything as well. And you can see that we didn't really need to do very much. We just needed to paste in a prompt. You want to make sure the prompt is as detailed as possible. Talk about the kind of branding that you want to use, the tone of voice that you want to use, the styling that you want to use, as much as possible about your business as well, to give it as much context as possible. The more context that you give it, the better the output will be. And that's with any AI platform that you use, not just ones to build websites, but even things like ChatGPT and Claude. You always want to give it as much context about your business, about yourself, and things like that to get the most accurate output. So now you can see it's writing the navigation bar, the hero section, trust bar. So it's just going to continue doing that as well, build out the idea as well. Once it's designed everything, you can see everything in the preview. In this section here, you can take like you can hide like that bar and see everything in full. And then the next step really would be to improve it or edit it however you need. Sometimes you might get whatever the AI comes up with, it might be like fully correct the first time, but however, that's a bit rare. We always recommend to go in to check everything carefully, make sure everything has been added and it's correct. It makes sense with your brand and it works well. You will find that you will need to do a bit of tweaking, and Base44 make it quite flexible in that you can use the AI to kind of talk about what tweaks that you want to make, or you can do it yourself in the editor as well. You can see now that it's ready. So the last message has come out. It's about everything, the footer of the page. Your plumbing landing page is live. It includes a hero, strong call to actions, and it mentioned everything that it's written. You'll notice that it was a couple of errors that had come up beforehand. So you can use prompt the Base44 as well to help fix these errors, and then it will kind of fix everything that needs to fix. So let's hide the prompt box for now and let's go through everything. So you can see we've got a really strong sort of navigation bar, really strong like context as well. Call to action buttons are great and they match our intent. We want people to call with a quote, a call for a quote. The call to action is placed in really strong points as well. We've got one in the hero, we've got one in the navigation bar. We scroll down, it's mentioned all of the top kind of points about the business that we wanted it to mention. It's mentioned all of the different services and different sort of links to the services as well, and just added some more content. It's added those trust signals of the testimonials, and then it's added the kind of contact information. Really like this, because our main goal, we said it was to get leads and generate inquiries. It's made a really strong sort of contact section where we've got an easy to fill out form, an emergency line, and also an email space for email. And also quite good is the availability as well. So like what areas the business accommodates and the availability for it as well. And yeah, just some more kind of call to actions as well. So this is a really strong starting point. Clear headlines, call to actions are already kind of mapped out, which is really great. If you then wanted to make some changes, two ways you can do that. You can go back into Base44 and ask for it to make some changes. So it could be anything. So if you say, for example, change the font style to be more, you can give it specific font styles. You can say to be more, we'll say, fun and easy to read, for example. It will then edit the entire site following your prompt. So let's give it a minute here. You can see it's doing the same thing as it did before. It's thinking, it's telling us what it's doing. So it's editing the styles file, it's editing the Tailwind sort of CSS file, and then it's letting us know what it's done. So it's switched to the Poppins font for heading and Unita for the body. And you can see really quickly all of the text on this page has now changed and updated. And this is something that if we had done it ourselves would have taken a couple of minutes, if not longer, whereas with AI it's done it quite fast. The other way you can do it is if you click onto the edit button, and then you can click on, that'll allow you to actually select different elements on the page, and then you can change things like the text content. If you click on edit element, you can edit the element specifically. So what to change, you can say make this text more location specific, for example, and then it will change it to however way that you want it to change as well, which is quite good. There you go. So it's great. It's made it more location specific. Obviously you can tell it specifically if there's text that you want it to change it to, and then you can also change like the color palette as well. So this is our theme palette, where you can change the font, so you can change the background color if you weren't initially happy with the branding and things like that. So it's really easy to kind of navigate, really easy to kind of work with. The responsive tab checker here will allow you to check each of the breakpoints and see what you're happy with and anything that you want changed and things like that. So I would say the key thing here is really just to don't accept everything that the AI gives you. Use it as a base and then refine it so it actually converts. But Base44 make it really, really easy, really, really quick to make sure that everything works okay and gives you a good kind of starting off point as well. So yeah, this is a really great tool to use, and it can help save a lot of time and also save a lot of effort, because website building doesn't come easy to a lot of people. So using something like Base44 to help get a fast sort of landing page quickly, or a landing page either for like business branding or like for a campaign, is really good as well. And so now let's talk about the pricing for Base44. They typically have a free trial. Well, not necessarily a free trial. Every time you use a prompt in Base44, or like you talk to the prompt, it eats up into what's called credits. So you get a certain number of credits every month. And when you make any prompt suggestions, it will eat up into your credits. So similar how like there's usage limits on Claude and ChatGPT. So if you wanted to get more than what you're limited to, you can go into one of the plans basically. So the starter plan is $16 a month. You get 100 monthly credits, and you can subscribe quite easily, $16 a month. And then the builder plan, so right now they have a sale on at 40 or 30% off on each of these plans, except for the starter. But typically it's about $40 a month, and you get more credits, more kind of integrations with other popular kind of platforms like GitHub, early access to features and things like that. So as the more premium your plan is, the more kind of credits that you get. So it depends on basically how often you're using Base44 and how often you're using the prompt as well to make changes to your website as well. It's not the cheapest tool out there, but you are paying for speed and structure, which matters a lot if you're building pages regularly. So now that we've taken a look at Base44 and just like some great examples of how to like create a page with AI, let's talk about the kind of pros and cons. Pros obviously is, as you can see as you saw from the example, is really fast to build pages. You can go from idea to live page very, very quickly. That's ideal if you're running campaigns or testing offers and don't want to spend hours designing from scratch. The layouts are built with practices in mind, so clear sections, strong CTAs, and logical flow. So it helps people who don't naturally think in like UX or conversions, and is very beginner friendly. As you saw, there was no kind of coding or design things I needed to do. The interface is very straightforward, so business owners can actually use it without getting stuck. It's great for testing ideas because it's so quick. You can spin up multiple versions of a page and test different headlines, offers, or audiences without a big time investment, and there's less kind of decision to overrun because you're not starting from a blank canvas. That limitation actually helps because you can focus on messaging instead of overthinking the design. But with any platform, there are certain cons to consider. The biggest one would probably be the limited design flexibility. You won't get full creative control like you would with something like WordPress or Wix. If you want something to feel very custom, this can be restrictive at the most. And because you're using pre-built structures, there is a risk that your page doesn't feel completely unique unless you put effort into branding and copy. Website generators landing page generators like Base44, they are not ideal for full websites. It is specifically built for landing pages, not multi-page. So if you're thinking long-term website build, you'll likely need another platform. And also you are dependent on the platform itself. You are building inside their system, which means you rely on their features, their pricing, their limitations, and moving away later is not always smooth. Any advanced features that you need, like for example, deeper integrations, complex like animations you want to add, or just any kind of very specific functionality, you might hit ceilings, pretty quickly. All of these pros and cons are worth considering whenever you are creating a landing page using AI. Overall, tools like Base44 can be really powerful, especially if you want to build landing pages quickly without starting from scratch. But it's not a magic solution. It just gives you this kind of strong foundation. But the performance of your landing page will still come down to your messaging, your offer, and how well you guide your user to take action. If you rely on it completely without thinking about structure or intent, your page still won't convert. But if you use it properly, it can save you a huge amount of time. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content around building better websites, improving your SEO, and using AI to speed up your workflow. If you're looking for more help building landing pages that actually convert, feel free to get in touch with ProfileTree. We love helping businesses put their best foot forward in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.